This video I'll start a small refurbishing video on a generator. So I've just assembled it. As you can see, everything is pretty dirty, gunky, full of garbage, but it worked fine, which is very nice. So as you can see, the armature is composed of very thick wire, and it's usually in good condition. What happens sometimes is the field coils, which are these rolls of wires here inside, they start to break their insulation. As you can see there, a small spot there, and then the generator stops working. It's not too hard to repair these. As you can see, these ones, they happen to be coated with some sort of resin or epoxy, I guess. And as you can see, it's been pretty immune to the grease, but I'd like to get it cleaned up and fix that small spot there. So this is just a before video, then probably just do an after video showing what it looks like afterwards, and maybe one or two videos in between.